Emotional ang inyong national president. Dahil sa mga hindi po nakakakilala, di lang nyo po nalaman. Ngayon ko lang po gagamitin ang salitang sakripisyo. Hindi lang nyo po alam ano ang pinagdaanan ko para lang po ang pagsabihan ng tama ang ating organisasyon. Na malugod nating tinanggap ang desisyon ng Supreme Court na mapagtatag ang ating propesyon. Matagal na po nating hinintay ang desisyon to mula our membership ID with IMUAP ID card with a fresh and innovative design. Sino po makakaisip that this is we have revisionalized how we experienced the National Convention this year. The NatCon 49 AHONA UAP web portal allows members showcase our project and specialization. Sana po nakapag-upload na po kayo ng inyong project. Insurance policy. It's about 600 na binabayad nyo, 100 pesos is allocated for the insurance of every paid member of the organization. Posting right now, 8,969 job opportunities na aming ipinangako. At ito po'y nagawa. And this will be uploaded on our website. Sa workshop, at ito po ay nagkaroon din tayo ng UAP Academy on Wheels. This is just beyond my wildest dream. A vision that came into reality. This is what you came for. Maraming salamat po who stayed here. And I'm really truly honored to be here with you today at the culmination of the UAP 49th National Convention with more than 7,000 delegates speaking in front of my peers, our professional community, under one roof is pure happiness. Let us now reflect on our journey, the story of us, building an inclusive, vibrant, and progressive UAP community since the inception of our vision, the future-proof our profession and our organization. We have witnessed remarkable developments in our game plan. Despite the challenges that posed by the pandemic and its aftermath, we have preserved and UAP has steadily recovered from the loss of friends and missed opportunities. As we continue to regain our footing, our passion and commitment to service has brought extraordinary and meaningful change that our game plan and the voices of our members are more amplified. The UAP initiated groundbreaking projects and innovative programs that cater to the needs of the profession. Let me do the countdown for the NATEN program. Number 10, the UAP Digital. Sino po ba makakaisip that this is we have revisionalized how we experienced the National Convention this year. The NatCon 49 AHON app that brings convenience, accessibility, and efficiency at the palm of your hands. Gone are the days that searching through pamphlets and missing out on important updates. This app is a comprehensive companion, keeping us the top of every activity and event and opportunity of the convention. With the real-time updates and notification, we'll never miss a beat, ensuring our convention experience is both enriching and unforgettable. We will continue using this app and enhance its feature in the coming and local conference of architects. We'll be having our IMUAP app as a new innovation for future-proofing our membership experience. The UAP has various features such as membership profile, IAPOA, payments, CPD certificate, payment ledger, events and other requests, benefits, and newsfeed, publication, e-library, merchandise, and e-forms and notification. Because the UAP believes in the distinct identity of every member, we have revived our membership ID with IMUAP ID card with a fresh and innovative design. Each IMUAP card features a member's photo along with essential information such as your PRC and your AAPO numbers. On the reverse side, it will be a QR code. Serving every member's card, V-card, when scanned, it provides individual name, mobile number, and email address, which can be saved directly to the phone contacts. What's more, QR code can also be utilized as your attendance checker for your all UAP events. The recently launched UAP web portal proves the organization's commitment to taking care of our digital world which brings boundless professional individual opportunities made possible by the UAP Commission on Internal Affairs. Pasalamatan po natin si Architect Rex Chuatak, our Executive Director, to the Committee on Information Technology, and the new UAP web portal allows members showcase our project and specialization. Sana po nakapag-upload na po kayo ng inyong project dito mismo sa ating sariling portfolio, ating spot sa ating UAP website. In addition to keeping the membership records of Certificate of Good Standing, we encourage everyone to embrace the exciting initiative by uploading na sinasabi ko kaninang the UAP Web Designers page to unlock the full range of portfolio features which embedded with our new website. Itong portal na po is partially done. Sana po ay ma-maximize po ninyo. Filipino architects through the digital directory and portfolio of UAP website. We can upload images of our projects and update our profiles for the public viewing and search. This is equaling the opportunities. Lahat tayo magiging pantay-pantay na at magkakaroon tayo ng pagkakataon na mapakita ano po ang kakayahan ng bawat isang arkitektong Pilipino. Ako po ay naniniwala sa sana na lahat tayo have the equal opportunity. Number 9 is the UAP events. One significant initiative we're taking is the institutionalizing our CSR programs. And we are also institutionalizing our UAP Technology Conference or Technicon, which was recently approved by the National Board. Another milestone is an approval of the extended Presidential Proclamation or the PD of the National Architecture Week. Instead na week na lang po ngayon, it will be a month-long celebration of art and profession. Tayo po ay nakatanggap na po ng sulat mula po sa Malacanang at ito to'y pinarating nila that we'll be able to celebrate our National Architecture Week on December, but instead of a week, the entire month of December will be celebrated as a National Architectural Month. Hawak na po ng PRC right now through our Honorable Chair. We have requested them to help us to push. Yun ang po hinihingi ng Malacanang kung wala pong objection from the PRC and our Board of Architecture doon sa ating hinihingi na awareness. Kailangan po natin kulang po ang isang linggo na paipakita ang galing at agking talino ng bawat Pilipinong arkitekto. Sana po masuportahan tayo ni Sir Robert. The UAP Design Awards, which aims to promote architectural branding and equal opportunities. Ito po ay mangyayari po this coming June, and I hope that we'll be able to still continue. No? April 29 or 30 yata last day ng competition na submission. Bakit po naisip itong UAP Design Awards na nanggaling po sa UAP Dubai Design Award? Dito po napakita natin ang galing po ng mga arkitektong Pilipino, nakipagsabayan po sa mga arkitekto na sa abroad, mga projects abroad, and most especially if nakita po natin na most of the iconic buildings may isa pong arkitektong Pilipino. Dito bibigyan namin ng pagkakataon lahat po ng arkitekto kung saan man kayo saan man kayo panig ng ating ng Pilipinas. Ito po ay opportunity for you. It's part of the branding. Kayo po ay may shortlist as finalist, makapagsabit po kayo. Kayo po ay may pagkakataon na ma-feature sa maraming possibly mga social media publications that's available. Let me also thank our organizing committee and volunteer for the success activities of UAP as we host the 28th ASEAN Congress of Architects, the ACA 20, the National Conference of Architects Assembly, the World Architecture Day, the National Architectural Week, and the kickoff of the UAP 50th Golden Jubilee celebration in Cebu. Number 8, the UAP Connect program. The UAP is committed to connect with our members with one another, with another world outside. We have implemented programs together achieving this goal. The monthly Zoom meetings that our SecGen has been doing, maraming salamat. We have been connecting. We have also proud to network our foreign-based chapter leaders that defines the very essence of the UAP current setup. Our NatCon 49 Director, Architect Christian Vasquez, and our PDC Commission Executive Director, Architect Joan Tabinas, and the many foreign-based volunteer leaders, despite of their different time zone and being 1,000 miles away from our headquarters, they're serving the national position. Hindi lang po sila, dahil meron tayong 3 district director from Canada, from Singapore, and from Mena. Yan. So, pasensya na po. Dahil 4 na araw na. Yung medyo naintindihan naman yun siguro. Tao lang po ang inyong national president. We are also promoting chapter members and ambassadors of profession by working on various programs to the application of the accredited civil society organization. Ito po ay sa mga programa na I am very proud of. Nagkaroon tayo ng connection. Kung kayo ay nandito kayo ng umaga, nakasama na at nakasalumuhan natin si Senator Coco Pimentel, nakasalumuhan natin si Congressman Top de Venecia. Sa pamamagitan nito, dito natin napapakita gaano tayo ka-importansya sa environment, gaano tayo makakatulong sa ating mga government, sa ating gobyerno. Dito po ay sa pamamagitan nito, ang civil society organization ay nagiging platform for us to be a consultant. Marami pong chapters ang nagpapatunay na nito at ako ay humihingi sa mga remaining chapters that sana po ma-accredit po kayo. The UAP Reimagine project that we have partnered with 30 industry partners will then help us refurbish our headquarters for the benefit of all architects. Last March 26, we launched the on-site ongoing phase 1. This project was celebrated in celebration with the 49th UAP founding anniversary. Ako po ay natutuwa dahil sa pagtutulungan po ng mga sa industriya. Sila ay naniniwala sa isang vision ng ating Reimagine project. At sana itong ginagawa ng inyong national president ay hindi biro-biro. At ito po ay sa pakipagtulungan po ng presidente po, chapter president ng Fort Bonifacio chapter, si Junie. Maraming salamat, Junie, dahil she has brought in more than 12 million. Wala pong ginastos doon ang UAP in terms of finishes. Ang gastos po natin doon is labor. Minsan, the Mancom would have to stand by dahil minsan, or kadalasan, kailangan namin manindigan. Hindi po ako dahil sa aking paniniwala, para matapos sa isang bagay, I would take the responsibility. Dahil po, alam po, marami proseso. Marami pong mga nakapagpabagal ng proseso at ito sa mga bagay na dapat pagtignan ng ating organisasyon. At para may pa-implementa, ako po ay naniwala hanggang wala kang ginagawang masama at ginagawa mo ang tama, ako po ay haharap sa ating mga miyembro na ako po at tatapusin po namin itong proyekto, gawa at hindi salita. Number 7, the UAP Care Program. Through the dedicated work and Commission of Internal Affairs, we have established the Inclusive Group Emergency Fund at ito po ay na-approve ng ating National Board, specifically tailored to assist the UAP members in times of need. While we are still finalizing the mechanics and policy, we are continuing our Balik Arkitekto program, an initiative supported by the organizations that offer standard dues collection policy. Pakiabangan na lang po ang sinasabi nating insurance policy. It's about 600 na binabayad nyo, 100 pesos is allocated for the insurance of every paid member of the organization. Gusto ko na pong matanggal sa mindset, bakit kayo nagbabayad ng membership dues sa UAP ay dahil lang po sa ating Certificate of Good Standing. Isa itong mga bagay na dapat na pag-isipan natin. So pagkakataon na to, ako po ay nagbibigay ng membership dues ko sa ating organisasyon ay para makatulong po sa operasyon ng ating organisasyon at mapabuti po ang kalagayan ng bawat arkitektong Pilipino. So pakiabangan po ang policies natin for that one. Number 6 is the UAP jobs. In order for UAP jobs, meron po tayo nagsimula po to last year na 800 posting. Right now, 8,969 job opportunities na available po sa ating UAP website as a UAP jobs page. At ito po, ako po ay nagpapasalamat din na nagkaroon po tayo ng pagkakataon na masilayan. As patutulong din to, this is a program ng UAP Dubai. It is handled and managed by UAP Dubai chapter at inadapt po natin na naging national program. Kaya inihikayat ko ang mga chapter, dito po natin nakikita na kung mga programa ng inyong chapter ay napakaganda at nakikita natin ang benepisyo ng magagawa nito sa bawat miyembro. ito po ay mga pagkakataon na pwedeng ma-adapt into a national program. Number 5, the UAP Health Program. The Commission on Professional Practice initiated the standard template na aming ipinangako at ito po ay nagawa and this will be uploaded on our website. Dahil po gusto po natin ng salamat po sa AED Cecil, dahil ito po and Steph Giles na silang gawa sa Office ni National Executive Vice President Don Magcale. Dahil sa pamamagitan nito, gagabayan po namin ang bawat arkitekto, lalo po ang nagsisimula na hindi po makasuhan na dahil ito po ang most cases na madalas na nagagamit sa reklamo po sa ating ethics case at sa PRC. So ito po, we have to be careful with these contracts and templates. So ito po ang basis that you'll be able to help you out. Katuwang din natin dito ang ating mga legal transaction at services ng ating attorney architects na nagbibigay ng kanilang legal at consultation and advice sa ating mga UAP National and its member. Number 4, the UAP Kultura. The Center of Architects of Filipinos initiated programs for heritage conservation and preservation. The AND 2.0 Architecture Documentary Film Festival. We also participated in stakeholders consultation meeting, draft the revised implementing rules and regulation of the amended National Cultural Heritage Act of 29 and the National Museum of Philippines and the UAP Iloilo Bahad through the UAP Bahadi chapter. We also aim to develop the UAP Museum sa ating second floor under the UAP Reimagine in collaboration with the UAP chapters. Pakihintayin na lang po yun at hopefully with the 2 months that has been remaining, sana po masimulan namin ang proyektong to help out na unang nandun na doon at aayusin po natin. The UAP ETC program, empowering the business side of architects to have a fallback aside from the practice of architectural profession. Number 2 is the UAP LEAD program. The UAP LEAD program, the Professional Development Commission initiated CPT program na makakatulong natin aside from training and workshop. At ito po ay nagkaroon din tayo ng UAP Academy on Wheels na tayo po ay nagdadala na po ng mga knowledge caravan, hindi lang dito sa Manila, and ito po ay unang nangyari po, kung di ako nagkakamali, sa Bicol area. The Brand Book Project that to be prepared by the Commission of Communication and Creatives that will enhance the organization's credibility and reputation in the industry. Inaayos po natin ang branding ng ating organisasyon from the logos, colors, and everything. So ito po ay mga bagay na we want to standardize in preparation po ng pag-ISO ng ating organisasyon. Magkaroon po tayo to the program of our National Executive Vice President Donato Magcale. Ito po ay sana may katuparan dahil ito po ay sa mga bagay na gusto nating mangyari into a corporate practice ng ating organisasyon. Number 1, the UAP Protect program. I'm really proud of this one. Let me thank our district directors and chapter presidents for unwavering support to the continuity of our Get an Architect campaign. Our legislative strategies that has been very proactive in collaborating with our respective LGUs. Hindi ko po mapapatawad ang sarili ko kung hindi ko po babanggitin ang pangalan ng acting executive director na Ching Segovia na talagang halos araw-araw mag-monitor ng bills ng mga legislation. Panay ang text ang aga-aga, madaling araw. NP, meron pong lalabas na ganito. Para na siyang lobbyist. Yan ang sinasabi natin ng servant volunteerism, walang pinipili. Minsan may pagkakataon talagang kami, minsan hindi rin pagkakaintindihan. Tao lang po ang inyong national president. Ngunit siya'y nakikinig at nagbibigay ng suhestyon at ng resulta. Yun ang importante. May resulta. We have also partner with various agencies. Napakarami pong memorandum of understanding that Ching Segovia has brought to UAP from PNP to the governors, to the vice governors, to the League of Councilor, to Vice Mayor. Ito po yung mga pagkakataon na sinasabi natin, kailangan natin makipag-connect sa kanila. At ito ng mga grupo ay nangako na sila po ay tutulong sa pagsulong at pagpag-implementa ng ating batas na 9266. UAP also submitted last February the comprehensive draft of Architectural Code of the Philippines for review endorsement to the PRC, Board of Architecture. This comprehensive forward-thinking document has been meticulously prepared by the UAP Architectural Code Council under the leadership of our past national president, the current chairperson, Architect Dinky Florentino, and our UAP Special Committee composed of dedicated esteemed officers and invested considerate time and efforts. Kasama po ang ating mga past national presidents dyan, past NEVPs, at marami pang mga volunteer leaders mula sa mga iba-ibang chapter. Noong November 2023, ito ay simula ng birth ng ating organisasyon, birth ng ating birth ng ating profesyon na malugod nating tinanggap ang desisyon ng Supreme Court na mapagtatag ang ating profesyon. Matagal na po nating hinintay ang desisyon to mula po ng 2012 na mula to i-final ng UAP sa Supreme Court kasabay po ng pagpa-file ng DPWH. At makasayang desisyong ito ay hindi lamang tagumpay sa aspetong legal, ngunit ito'y mariing pagtatangkilik sa mahalagang papel na ginampanan ng ating arkitekto sa pagbuo ng ating komunidad. It is just paramount that we understand the gravity of this matter and we strategically response to safeguard the interests of our beloved profession. Kaya nga hindi po nahinti ito, and last few weeks back, nakaroon kami ng pag-uusap mula sa Undersecretary of DPWH kung paano natin to move forward. At hanggang doon lang po ang pwede namin sabihin as of this moment. Sana intindihin nyo na hindi lahat ng bagay ay kailangan naming movement, the action plan that we have been undertaking. We are closely coordinating with our UAP Legal. Sa mga magkakataon to, may mga sinasabi natin na kailangan natin mag-ingat sa mga movement dahil tayo binabantayan talaga ng ating mga kaibigang professionals. We have engaged extensive consultation with our legal counsel, as mentioned earlier. And together with the TWG group, ako po ay natutuwa dahil tayo po ay sinama ng ating Board of Architecture Chairman, Architect Robert Sack, na maging part ng TWG group na binuo nila kasama ang PhilAsa, kasama ang mga government architects, at kasama po ang mga ibang sektor ng UAP at ibang sektor na we will be able to monitor and understand and study all the legislation and bills that will having effect on our profession. Kaya nga to'y talagang maganda ang nagiging relationship natin through the UAP Connect program. Pasensya na po, talagang sino-shortcut ko na lang, konti na lang. Dahil nawala po ako yung... On a personal note, please allow me to look even further back with the past 2 years. I can still clearly remember what happened many years back when words were spoken to me by an individual who I deeply respect and admire. Our servant leaders who saw in me a potential that I have not yet recognized. I had no definite political interest, nor did I envision my path that lay ahead on me until such time that our charter president of United Architects of the Philippines, Architect Norberto Bertnuque, our first ever Charter National President of UAP, Architect Mon Mendoza, told me their vision of my future service to UAP and the UAP General Membership. Their faith in me and their encouragement ignited and sparked within me. Tito Bert, sana kung nakikinig po kayo ngayon, I deeply appreciate the trust that you have bestowed me. Their faith in me and the encouragement ignited and sparked within me. I'm deeply grateful for the trust that you, ano yata ako na bati, who have thought that I would have served more than 55,000 architects. From serving UAP Quezon City chapter, my home chapter, as president, and to the various position that I have climbed. Halos lahat ng posisyon po na halos ng organisasyon na to ay aking napagdaanan. At naisip ko, bakit ko dinagdaanan to? Maybe this is the opportunity that I will be able to understand ano po ang pagkukulang at ang kailangang improve sa ating organisasyon. In my pursuit to elevate the status of architects, amplify the voices of our members, and future-proof the profession and organization for each journey I took, in every position I held in this organization, nasaksihan ko kung bakit at paano tumakbo ang UAP bilang isang tahanan ng arkitektong tulad ko. Those memories gives me this desire to become better architect and a total person. Salamat. Saludo po ako and giving me this opportunity to serve our UAP community. To my wife and my kids and my mom, maraming salamat po. Pinahiram nyo. Pinahiram mo. Emotional ang inyong national president. Dahil sa mga hindi po nakakakilala, di lang nyo po nalaman, ngayon ko lang po gagamitin ang salitang sakripisyo. Hindi lang nyo po alam ano ang pinagdaanan ko. Ano ang pinakawalan kong opportunity for 2 years para lang po pagsalibihan ng tama ang ating organisasyon. Kadalasan, sinasabi nila si NP masungit. Si NP, diretso magsalita. Mas gugustuhin ko maging diretso sa inyo at sabihin kong galit ako sa inyong ginawa. Kaysa nakangiti akong haharap sa inyo, ngunit sa likod ko, sasaksakin ko kayo. Ako po ay totoong national president. Ako po ay totoong miyembro na talagang naninindigan na tamang pamamahala ng ating organisasyon. Minsan, nilinis natin ang isang kwarto. Hirap nating linisin. Ngunit may nakita silang alikabok sa isang sulok. Ano ang pinansin? Ang alikabok sa sulok. Instead of heavy and cleaning up the organization. Ito ang tunay
tayo ay mga arkitekto
na nangyayari. Sana po hiningi ko sa inyo, sa mga future leaders na tulad, mga miyembro na tulad ninyo, sana wag niyong hayaan na mga iilan na maninira lamang ng maling akusasyon, fake news, napakarami pong kwento, kayo na mismo ang umusga. We have always been transparent. Ang hawak lang po namin ay taos-puso at ang pusong pagsisilbi. Minsan, ako'y nalulungkot. Ang asawa ko po ay hingi ng schedule sa akin at binibigyan po priority ang ating organisasyon. Minsan, tinanong niya ako, kailan ako pwede magpa-schedule sa iyo at masamahan mo ako at ang iyong pamilya? Sa bagay na inaasam ko, masaya po akong bababa sa aking posisyon dahil masaya akong babalik sa aking pamilya at sa aking profesyon.
United Architects tayo, inaasahan tayo ng ating bansa. Sa ating paglalakbay,
inclusivity and diversity within the organization over the past 2 years are far from over have created environment with every members to feel not just welcome but truly valued, respected. I could say the visionary leaders emerge in the UAP leaders' vision to extend beyond regulation. We are transitioning to a new leadership. In just few months from now, we must maintain the momentum of our initiative. Makakasaba naman kami sa inyo na ipagpatuloy nyo ang pagsuporta sa susunod na administrasyon. Sa mga chapter natin, mga chapters po na wala na po dito, at kaibigan naman ninyo, sabihin nyo, suporta naman natin. Whoever sits in the position, suporta natin at isipin lang po natin. Ito ay ginagawa natin para sa ating organisasyon. Ito talaga. At saludo po ako sa inyong lahat.